Hello guys, how you are doing? I hope everyone is safe and sound in this trying time. And yes, again in this channel I am back with another video, but this video is not about any device which generally we talk about on this channel, but this is definitely going to be something very useful in our daily life. So let's get started. This is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Oni Online. So today in this video I will be talking about this device. So this is a pressure sprayer, as you can see, and this is going to be very useful during this time, because nowadays we all are very much aware about the importance of sanitization or disinfecting our car, our homes and all these things. So this I actually bought for myself, and later I just thought to share this thing with all of you. So that is why today I am making this video. And yes, I bought this device from Amazon for around rupees 200. I don't remember the exact figure, so I am just putting it here in the bottom of the screen, as you can see over here. The device is very much useful. So now let's talk about the device and how it works. So I'll be showing you all this thing in detail. So I just unboxed the device and I started using this device, but for you just I am showing you the packaging and all these things. So let's get started with that. So here is the product, and there was nothing much to unbox it. So it comes in this simple wrapper, as you can see, and here you have only the information regarding warranty, so you can register the product to get the warranty support. Here, as you can see, the Abil logo is over here and it says the pressure sprayer, and here you have the MRP information and the manufacturer details. So the device is made in China and the price is rupees 1200 only, as you can see over here. So the device has basically two parts. So one is the container itself and the second one is the pressure building mechanism, what you can see. So this is the pressure building mechanism, and here you have the nozzle which is made of brass, and this is adjustable, so you can rotate this to adjust the flow type. So I'll be showing you these things detail in the later part of this video. And here you have the pressure release valve or pressure release trigger. So whenever you press this, fluid inside comes out. And here you have the trigger lock. So as you can see, so when you lock this trigger, so the fluid inside will continue to spray or continue to flow through this nozzle automatically. Now just let me tell you how the device works. So for that I need to open this. As you can see, you can simply rotate this to open. Yeah, here it is. So here you can see two pipes. So the large one is the air inlet pipe. So whenever you move this in the up and down direction, so air gets inside the container and it creates a pressure inside the container. And this is the water outlet pipe, water or whatever fluid inside the container, so that comes out via this pipe only. And here you have the rubber gasket and that kind of things, so which make it airtight, so that whatever pressure you have built, that remains intact inside the container. And guys, this is a 1 liter sprayer. I'm not sure whether you can see it on camera or not. Just let me try. Yeah, and here you have a scale and you can see it through this. This is the 1 liter mark. So as you can see over here, it's written that 1000 milliliter, and here is the 500 milliliter. So you can see it from here, and as it is a 1 liter pressure sprayer, so it's recommended that you fill fluid till this mark only. So now just let me fill some fluid over here. So this is the 1 liter bottle, and I am just putting the water inside, as you can see. So I have filled it up with 1 liter of water, as you can see, and now just let me close this. So I have closed it and it's now completely airtight, as you can see. And now whenever I am pressing this up and down, so air is going inside and it's building up a pressure. As air is lighter than water, so it always remain in the upper portion of the container, and as a result, whenever we are releasing this valve, the water inside always comes out through this nozzle. Now I just need to build a pressure like this inside the container, and then whenever I'll be pressing this trigger, the water will be coming outside, as you can see. So just let me go outside and I'll be showing you how the device works. The device is ready, as you can see. So I have built up enough pressure inside the container in this way, and so now Let me just release the pressure release valve, and you can see that how the fluid gets through the nozzle, as you can see. So I am just pressing this, and yes, you can see. So now it's just going out in the form of droplets. Now I am just adjusting the flow, and now you can see how it will go outside. So now you can see it is just making a uniform stream, as you can see over here. Like this it will flow. So this nozzle is completely adjustable, and whenever I am locking this trigger, so you can see it continues to flow automatically. So now I am using this device for past 10 weeks, and it's the time to talk about the pros and cons of this device. So in terms of working mechanism and the device performance, it's very good, as I have already shown you, but there are some cons what I want to share with you. So here the company claims by this transparent line or the scale, you can view the quantity of fluid remaining inside, but I was not being able to see through this portion, because this is not that transparent and you cannot understand from here. And here you have given the scale, but it's completely useless as you cannot see through this portion of the container. So this is one con I have found in this device. And another con is that I have shown you the gasket inside the container or inside the pressure building mechanism, and the device comes with only a single gasket which is pre-fitted in the device, and it does not come with any extra gasket. But in the long term usage, the gasket may get damaged with the normal wear and tear while using the device. So the company could have given us with some extra gaskets, one or two, not much, so that could be very much helpful for the buyers. So these two, I think, the serious cons about this device. And apart from that, the device is very amazing, and I am using it for sanitizing or disinfecting my home, and it works perfectly all right. And one thing I really feel bad about this device is imported from China. So this is a very simple device. This has no complex circuitry and nothing else. So for these simple devices also, why should we need to be dependent on China? Why can't we manufacture this kind of device in India, where there is many young talents, many entrepreneurs, and so why can't we build these things in our country for ourselves? I was thinking about that, and I really felt bad about these things. So I don't know, maybe someday we'll be manufacturing everything for us. And this is a very simple device, very useful, and I think considering the current situation of COVID-19, so it will be very much useful for every one of us, as we need to disinfect or sanitizing our homes, our cars on a regular basis. Also, this device can be used for gardening purpose, so you can water your plant. So here you have the spray mechanism, and so this could be very much useful for the people who loves gardening. So you can water your plant, you can give some fertilizers and all that things to your plants. These are a few of the use cases of the device, and yeah, for me it's working perfectly all right as of now. So if you want to buy one, definitely you can go ahead. It comes in different sizes as well, ranging from 1 liter to 8 liter, 12 liter and above. So all these things I'll be giving you in the description box below, so just go and check it out. And there are many other pressure sprayer available in the market, I have checked that, but this one is really good. And because the build quality of the device, it really feels very sturdy, and this mechanism also works perfectly all right, and this nozzle is also very much precise, so you can adjust your flow of fluid very precisely. So performance wise, the device is very good. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button below and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And yes, so the situation in India is really not good. So the cases are increasing every day. So you only go out of your home when it is an absolute necessary. Otherwise, please try to be at home only. So signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video.